This is OPPO Find N2 Flip, and today I would like to demonstrate that you can share the Wi-Fi network password on this device. So to start, you will need to launch the control panel by swiping downwards from the right part of your status bar. Then among the available controls, find the one that says, or well, not explicitly says, but has the Wi-Fi icon. Usually it's in this rectangular shape. Then touch and hold onto it. Go into the Wi-Fi settings page, assuming that the network that you wanted to show the password of or share is the one that you are currently connected to. You can just tap on it. At the following about this network or network details page, you'll find the share icon. That's exactly what you will need to go for next. And in here, below the actual network name, at the following pop-up window that you will get, you can find the Wi-Fi, the password to this Wi-Fi network, as well as QR code that you can further scan and get some other device automatically connected to the chosen Wi-Fi network. Alrighty, so that will be it for this video, guys. Thanks for watching, and bye-bye.